Hey, my name is Jasmine,
And my name is Tamar.
and we're going to be talking about X-Men. So we're going to be talking about X-Men and like how the costumes don't fear with their powers.
How they can stand so much physical and chemical powers and wear and tear. That's
Right. So one,
reasons why the costumes don't react with powers is because the gear is made of nanotech, and the nanobots of each individual's gear may have a specific function. Nanobots and nanotechnology have created a material slash spray that can go on material that can resist virtually anything. This helps in combat when dealing with acidic or dangerous chemicals or in wrecking when traveling through mud and dirt that can compromise your position in terms of camel or smell.
okay, basically what that means is that like nanotechnology, as we've reviewed in class, well, we reviewed in class, but for those of you who don't know, nanotechnology is like a bunch of these tiny little robots that form a giant colony of stuff that can, both that are programmed to perform a specific function, kind of like human cells. So for each of the different and like nanobots that are actually materials and supplies or things or substances that can be made using nanotechnology that have actually helped either keep that keep stains off of the clothes jack, which can be, as you said, very helpful, in case you get like acid, in case you get like acid on their clothes, which is why the clothes will melt right away when a villain shoots them or whatever, um, or she also says like in recon, which is why they I don't know. Or like like they're like they have to creep through a sewer, and they don't smell that bad if they get out. So, but yeah, that's nanotechnology, and it also helps in keeping their powers in check because some of the X-Men have powers like that do energy like Jubilee. Her powers are mostly energy, but she does shoot some kind of substance out or expel it out. And the way that it doesn't like stick to her clothes or her skin is that maybe they use nanotechnology. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing. I'm guessing. So yeah, that's one way. That's one way. So what's another way?
Chemical reactiveness. The chemicals used to jumpstart their ability are the various chemicals they let off because of their ability, are hindered in corrosiveness by a chemical in the fabric that either A contains a chemical that balances out in reaction, or B is made of a material that is weaved into the fabric that doesn't react with body chemicals even when ripped. For example, plastic to hydrochloric acid. The body chemicals aren't so reactive or corrosive despite being used.
Yeah. Um, so basically, what she said was that um, chemicals, um, some of them like um, use some of them, like I said, they use chemicals to determine their ability. Like bees, when he transforms, probably some sort of growth hormone that may not be all too internal. He does like grow fur and stuff, and that works. So, yeah, like his suit or whatever is probably made of some sort of material that doesn't react with the growth hormone or that the growth hormone or anything that can like make it grow. Like hydrochloric acid doesn't react with plastic. His growth hormone doesn't react to his suit because it's made of a material that doesn't react with it. Sometimes it may also contain a chemical that can either cause a little reaction that can actually balance out the chemical reaction between the material and the material of the suit and the chemicals of the body. Like you might have a chemical either infused with it or injected into the material. So, and, and our last point would be that maybe some of the chemicals that these famous mutants will let off won't be too wouldn't be too reactive in the first place. So they can just wear regular Under Armour